Hello everyone, it's MPX Autos James here. How are you today? In this video, I would like to share another upgrade in a SIM car that we already posted in another video before. It is a Prado GXL 2018 that came with the previous factory system, and now it was fit with our tanning system and sound system upgrade with the Pioneer one. Today it comes back and we actually upgrade surrounding 4 camera for on demand for the car. So at this moment everything already fully fit and ready to go. So just have a look at the camera position that we fit in around. It is Full HD, super wide angle, anti-glare and super night vision, reverse camera and side camera and front camera. So it actually is kind of 360 camera on demand. Now have a look. At first, start from the rear one. So you know that this one come with the factory camera was here. Okay, it couldn't see anything closer to the car. So at this moment we already custom built one special bracket over here, and the camera stay right here and see very well to the rear end. Now have a look at the side camera here. It's already been on the side here, and that is the right side camera. The wiring is installed flexible to be moved with the mirror. And the front camera, actually the front camera can't see it from the top. You need to see it from here. You have to lower down to see it. If you see from the top, you can't see it. And here is the side wing camera as well. Okay, so with the same mechanism that we fit here, and everything ready. So how the system actually operates? It is the on-demand system, so it will work with the automatic function with the signal. At first, it is the left side mirror camera. It's the signal. You can see the back end, rear end of the car here, along to the front of the car here, and the front tire is here. Okay, so that's the left side. Now, that is the right side. Okay, here is the right side of the car. You can see the rear end of the car here, and you see it front around to the front, and you can see the blinker here. Okay, the front blinker. Okay, so that is along the car, and we can easily adjust the angle of view when the car is collect, no problem, and by the choice from the owner. Now that is the automatic function when you turn on the signal, and if you turn on the reverse, it actually will turn the reverse like this, and it have to see very clear the bumper bar here at the bottom, and this is the tow hitch plate cover. Okay, so that is the rear bumper here. That's the rear end bumper, and this small section is the factory spare wheel cover, which it open very wide angle and clear for the reverse, and it help you to see right down on the tow bar. Now the good thing for this system is it has the front camera as well, and that front camera will show up right now. You actually see the front camera with the front wheel bar actually is here, right here. So it's see drop down. The front camera see right drop down on the ground from the top of the front bumper bar, wheel bar. So that will be very clear and super wide angle for the thing in the front. So basically currently the driver can see the system by any camera, and now if in case they want to manually control it, they can actually start using this controller gear here, which it will turn on the left side camera right now, and it will turn on the right side camera right now, and it turn on the rear camera right now. Okay, So that is about the system of the Full HD super wide angle anti-glare and super night vision for surrounding camera on demand, fit in a Prado 2018 GXL. So yep, if you like this one, please click the subscribe button. We would love to see more and more video coming in, and yep, have a nice day and see you then.